North Sumatra, Indonesia, Wednesday, December 18, 2024, afternoon.
Hancur rumah semua.
Senti a loro nido ayuan.
Inilah desa Simaningkir kawan-kawan.
Ini namanya apa? Oh, lo gabi tupat dia hon nanti.
The high rainfall, which poured over parts of South Tapanuli, has caused flash floods in the village of Kota Tua, Tano Tombangan Subdistrict, South Tapanuli District, North Sumatra Province, on Wednesday, December 18, 2024, afternoon at around 16:00 local time.
Kota Tua banjir, Kota Tua banjir.
For the time being, damage and losses, then evacuation, are still being recorded by officers. Until 19.30, the water was still flowing, as high as an adult's knee.
Oh, lo te kali tahu sindi.
One of the local residents, Andi Sibarani, said, initially it was just an ordinary flood on the streets, but suddenly the water grew bigger, carrying soil, large rocks, and large wood. The water and the material came from the direction of the forest, which was encroached on for the purpose of an entrance to the middle of the protected forest. Personnel from the Regional Disaster Management Agency, BPBD of South Tapanuli Regency, together with the TNI, Polri, Social Services, and Subdistrict Apparatus, are already at the location, to collect data on affected residents, distribute aid, and anticipate further flooding.
Mobil kita juga tertimpa.
Sangat mengerikan. Batu-batu besar sedang terhanyut dalam.
Justru gabi don tupat ada ni onate gabi tu sana iki ate.